everybody. Successful with LLC on YouTube, guys. Get subscribed to this channel. If you're not subscribed, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday, December 15th. And today, if you're celebrating a birthday today, happy birthday to you, and happy birthday if this is a year in your business and you just started a business. Happy birthday to your business. Coming to you guys with a video from Successful with LLC, guys. Just coming to you guys because like I had promised, I actually organized my office nice and neat for you guys. So I'm just run over a couple of things for you. So this is just a little basket, and it has like my t-shirt neck and like shirt, you know, neckline measurement, little, sorry, my little measurers, like to measure how far down you will put the your print on a shirt or your print on a sweater or something. So that's what these for. And it comes in adult, infant, youth, all different sizes. These are shipping labels, and I actually got these. I think I got it from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure, but these are shipping labels. These are thank you stickers for when I ship out merchandise, or if I have a sale and I have to ship it out. These are product labels for pricing. I need to get more because the highest I see on here is like $10, and we have stuff that's actually more than $10, so I'm gonna have to get a little bit higher than that. And what else I got in here? This is my clipboard, so when I have business or anything, I put my papers on there. That's my clipboard. I got it from my husband. He gave it to me. These are my containers. This is some vinyl. Well, I was making a shirt and I used that vinyl, so that was an extra piece. This is the store, guys, and that's what we're gonna call it because it literally is a store. You Google us, it comes up. Successful Wear Clothing Store, guys, and we do customizing and we sell merchandise as well. So guys, like I promised, I am back with another vlog to just let you guys show you what is what our business home-based business is all about. And this is just all miscellaneous pieces of vinyl, and believe it or not, for those people in the t-shirt work, they know this, all this vinyl can be, you know, reused. I have a lot of nice pieces in here too, because I used to like some of the best kind of vinyl. I got 3D vinyl, I got pub vinyl, which blows up. I got all of it, you name it, we got it. I specialize in different kind of vinyls. That's what I do. I search for the best vinyl. This is, like I said, this is the store. This is my work up here, my different kind of papers, my printer, my sublimation paper, printer paper, more vinyl. I got vinyl up here. This is all vinyl. And I use permanent vinyl for making cups, making dishes. I also make some t-shirts with permanent vinyl as well, but not this vinyl. This is the other kind. I have two kind of vinyls, but this is the permanent vinyl. These are my Cricut boards to cut on. I have several of those. Please excuse my grandson in the background. And this, guys, this is my Cricut cutter. I have actually two Cricut cutters. This is one of them. Which I cut, you know, if I cut certain vinyl that needs to be cut or print and cut, I use my Cricut for that. This is my TV in my office as well, guys, because, you know, I got to have the little vibe. And this is the, oh, I always forget the name of that TV. Well, the TV that comes ready with all the, you know, all the apps already. So is app included. And so I get to have my TV in here. This is the desk that the TV stands on, the little table. This is my little chill game when I want to just kick the woolly bobo and play a little video game while, you know, in my office or whatever. I just like my office to be nice and clean and nice and, you know, a go-to place to also, you know, chill if I need to as well. So I make it that way. You guys who are new to this channel, enjoy this vlog, and I hope that if you are not new to this channel and you see this video, please guys hit the subscribe button. This video is about having your own business, home-based business, office-based. That's my shredder right there, guys. You got to have all these things. And for those who, you know, I showed these yesterday, but these are my, look at that, guys. You see that? These are all pressed down here, guys. And that one right there just broke. That one's another press of mine. That's like one of my first press, that one, right? No, I think that's the same one. No, that's one. So yeah, this press is the recently broke press. What the hell is this cup doing under here? Please, guys, forgive me for that. And then that one over there, I'm going to get rid of this press right here because I think it's no good. But that one over there, I want to try to get that fixed. I'm trying to find out where I can get that fixed at. And yes, guys, again, hit the thumbs up on this video and subscribe to Successful Wear LLC. And you can also shop our website. And just in time for the holidays, guys, you still got time to get some merchandise customized and shipped out before Christmas, guys. Hit us up at www.successfulwearclothingllc.com, guys. Those are our cards. We also have cards with my business partner, also my daughter, on it. She's also a business partner as well. She's a part of the business. We also have multiple thank you cards, guys. So again, when you're looking for people who actually have a registered business, who actually are doing it, as you see, I have this is all business stuff, guys. If you're going to do it, you might as well do it right. That's what your office is supposed to look like. And this is my business office for my home-based business, not for YouTube, guys. Not trying to be funny, but that is what it is. This is actually, and this is the store. So please, guys, hit us up at www.successfulwearclothingllc.com or subscribe to us on YouTube at Successful Wear LLC. Have an amazing Throwback Thursday. Have an amazing Thursday. God bless you guys and yours. And have amazing times and be prosperous in your upcoming or your existing business. Love you guys. Bye.